Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to target Nigerians in diaspora with your Facebook meta ads. All right, so let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna open my campaigns page here, and then I'm just gonna select an ad to edit and show you what the setup is like. So I'm just gonna click on edit. All right. So if you want to see how I set up a campaign from scratch, please watch my other video. I've linked it at the top and also in the description of this video. All right. So my campaign is open. I'm just going to scroll to location targeting. All right. So in the locations, right, you can see I selected cities, particular cities in the United Kingdom that are known to have dense population of Nigerians, right? You don't just want to enter the UK or you don't just want to select any city. You have to make sure that you know the cities that you're targeting that you know are dense with Nigerians, right? So once you've done that, I've selected cities like London, Glasgow. I've selected cities like Liverpool, Manchester, Birmingham. All right. So just do a Google search. You'll see cities that are dense with Nigerian population, and then you can add them. And then you go to the interest based section. All right. So for this section, you have to ensure that you set interest, right? So we're just going to set some interest. We know that advantage targeting exists, but you really need to help Meta a bit here. This works a bit, all right. So what are you going to do? You're going to select things like um African cuisine, select search for Afrobeats, all right. Search for Lagos, search for Nigeria, and then Africa. So just add these few interests, and you're gonna see how that works out in your ad. All right. So remember that even if you want to target UK and US, all right, you don't have to add all of that. That all those locations in your ad. You should only target one country per ad set. All right. So what I'm going to do here is that even I want to add US to this campaign. All right, that's US targeting. I want to target US country in this campaign as well. So I will just duplicate this ad set that I had already created, and then I just click on duplicate here. And then, I just changed the name of the ad set to US Leads ad set. So it's still going to be carrying the same setup. It's still going to be carrying, the same video or content that I've already used. But what we're just going to be doing is changing the location for this ad set. All right. So we just go ahead and add countries in the US as well that we know that are dense in population with Nigerians. All right. So there's Texas, Chicago, Atlanta, Washington. All right. So we are going to also do the same thing with the audience suggestions. This doesn't mean that advantage targeting is not going to be working here, but again, we are just going to be helping the algorithm because you know that most of the people in the US and the UK are white people. So you just want to give Facebook a hint of what you should be looking at. So if you see the description above, it says our AI finds audience for your ads. All right. So just make sure that that is what you're doing. All right. So once you have been able to add the audience suggestions for it, you are good to go. And that is it. You have been able to set up your ads targeting Nigerians in diaspora, targeting Nigerians that are in the UK and in the US especially. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, and you can watch my other videos here all around the same topic of being able to grow your business online.